this backpack is dedicated to all of my filming things. This is more for like work. This is for international travels. And this is right now for bug out stuff like emergency. I love functionality and practicality when it comes to travel bags, and I also love a nice, clean, simple design. So today I want to share with you some travel bags that I have been experimenting with in the past few years and also recently. Some of these bags are used for different types of travels because not all travels are treated the same. And so I'm going to share with you some of my travel bag essentials and which ones are my favorite and why. Well, actually, you know what? I don't have a favorite because they all serve a particular purpose and also depending on my travels. So maybe you will find your next travel bag in this video. All right, so I'm gonna skip the classic rolling travel carry-on bag in this video because I have done other videos on that before, but I wanna share with you what type of bags you can use as a carry-on or that can be stackable on a rolling travel bag. So some of these bags, I use them in addition to my rolling bags, whether it's a smaller one or a bigger one, again, depending on my travels. So I want to start with this duffel bag, and I forgot the company's name for this duffel bag, but they sent this to me a few years ago. I'll put the information in the bottom of this video if you're looking for specific information on where I purchased my bags from. But this bag is a carry duffel bag. So you can either carry this like crossbody on your shoulders. It has a nice big strap for the shoulders and you can carry it this way. So for me personally, sometimes I have back issues and my back doesn't feel as strong to carry, this duffel bag. So this is something that I don't carry with me on trips that require running across the airport. It's just not something that I find convenient. So I use this bag for road trips or something that is for the weekend where I know that I can just like toss it in the car and not worry about it again. So it's a great like weekend bag, short trips, or if you're somebody who is a super minimalist when you're traveling. As I started using it as a bug out bag in the past few years, just because when I was living in California, there were lots of fires and we were evacuated like 3 times basically in 1 year because of fires. And I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave all the essentials in here and just in case. And then when we moved up to Minnesota, I think there were a few tornado scares this year. And there were a few times where I had this bag near the door just in case, if I know I had to like leave or something like that, then I have everything that I need in here. So everything is like pre-packed. This bag has like 3 different compartments. You can unzip it in the middle and then you can pack on the sides. So in that way, so I keep all my clothing in this travel cube. I have clothing for sleeping and I have clothing that is enough for, a regular day. And because it is very cold here for most part of the year, I also make sure that I have a coat. So I have this packable coat. It's a down coat and it's something that I can layer easily over or under other items, and it's so compact. So I keep it in here at all times just because it's like I have other coats. If I don't have to think about it, it gives me that ease and it's just like less stress to worry about. I know that I have pre-planned everything. I thought about everything and it's all in this bag. So that's all I have to worry about. Emergency supplies, I have them all in here. And when I need to go, my duffel bag. So my last trip was a 3-month trip and I was out for quite a while. So I looked for a bag that can carry my laptop with me and some clothing for a carry-on, as a carry-on bag. So when I am going international or on a big trip. I try to keep it down to just having one big rolling case and then this carry-on that I can stack on top of the rolling case. It just makes my life so much easier. It makes traveling so much more convenient just to worry about 2 bags. I don't want to like have things all over the place, but somehow I always end up with like a shopping bag or a tote bag on the side. So I know myself, I know that sometimes like I collect things on the way. And so I just always try to keep things down to 2 main bags, 1 carry-on and 1 big rolling case for international or long travels. So this bag in particular, it's just so functional and practical because it has like handles on the side. So, you know, when you're at the airport, there's just so much going on. And when you need to grab and go, it's right there. So if I want to free my arm and wear this as a backpack, I can do that. The straps are very cushiony and this just helps with the weight distribution, keeps things even. So I love a backpack, especially when I know I am running from one terminal to the next. And then right behind where the straps are, that's the compartment where you keep your laptop. And it is very nice and cushiony. So there is a slot for your laptop, but there's a bunch of other compartments inside. It's very nice and cushiony because there's like an extra piece of cushion, a breathable material that's for your back, and at the same time it serves as a slot that you can put on top of your rolling luggage and put the handle through that so that way it doesn't flip off, and it serves as a multi-purpose use, which is so amazing. And then there are more compartments here where you can just open the front part here and just put your stuff in here. For this bag, I can fit so much because sometimes you know how things can get lost. I had that happen to me before, and that was just not a fun experience to not have like just the basic essentials. So I have my travel size like toothbrushes, toothpaste, everything in here, and then I have extra clean underwears and extra something to sleep in, and then something to go out in. Very basic essentials. All the things that I don't want to lose or expensive items, I have it with me. I think I found this bag on Amazon and it was not expensive at all. Very affordable, well designed and well made, very versatile, and I used it so much. So this everyday tote bag is by OrbitKey. If you are somebody who is working in an office type of environment, or if you go to a co-working space and you're always on the go packing your laptop or your books and your notepads and all that kind of stuff, this is a great everyday tote because it carries all of that. So I have a pretty big laptop and it fits my laptop perfectly in this slot right here. So it has its own slot, and I put a little notebook, a little thin notebook on the side just to give it a little more extra cushion on this outside. But the outside has like more simple looking slot pocket. It also has a strap where you can place this on top of your rolling case and it doesn't like fall over. So that is a plus for me. A combination that I would use is this tote bag and a small rolling case for maybe a quick weekend trip or a quick work business trip. Then this and a small rolling case is just enough for me. The top right here is great if you don't like people looking in your bags, and I like to have my things hidden. I don't like it when all these stuff are exposed and out in the open. It has like a little slot for your water bottle, and then this part I really love. This is a removable little tote that you can use and put into other bags. Why I love this is because it is filled with compartments, and the structure of this just keeps your bag structure. Like this tote bag is already very structured, but I have this other tote that I use often right here, and it's just like it's a leather bag, you know, it's wobbly. And so when I put this in here, all of my essentials are already in here. When I put this in here, it gives it more structure. And I feel like my things are more protected. Right there. See, and now my bag is a little bit more structure. And it makes switching bags so much more convenient because that's all I have to do. I put my cell phone on the outside because I'm always like digging for my cell phone when it's in my tote bag. So having like a little dedicated slot for my phone makes it so much easier. I have it right now on a body strap. I can be very forgetful with my cell phone. I left it in a public bathroom once at the Goodwill. So bad. After I used the bathroom, I was walking around shopping. Actually, it was until I got in the car I realized that I left my phone in the public bathroom. And so it was such a scary moment. But yes, after that, I was like, I need something where I will not forget my phone. So having it like a strap like this is perfect. When it's in my bag, it's like it's a pain in the butt to like look for it, take it out. And I just like to have it there on my body. So I'll have this either on my body and then I'll have my bag over like this. And then with my phone, it's just like right there and it's like easy to use. When I want to take a picture of something, when I want to note something, it's just there. It's just so convenient. And when you're like in touristy areas, you want to keep things secure. So instead of having it in a pocket where it's easier for people to pickpocket or in your bag where people can pickpocket again, it's great to have it like on my body. And plus when you're traveling, you always like take your phone out to take pictures of stuff and record things. So it's just a very convenient thing to have. So I like to have my phone on the outside slot because it's easy to reach if I'm not wearing it on my body. And then this can also fit into my backpack. And this is another bag that I use when I am traveling light, but I use this mainly in the past for all of my technical stuff, like my laptop and my camera and like my chargers. All of the stuff goes in here. The design on this bag is just so nice because it's very minimal and simple and clean, which I love. The only thing that I wish they would do is add an extra zipper handle right here, like a double zipper handle. You know, but this is a laptop compartment in the back. It's nicely padded. The straps are very simple in design. I would just wish the strap has a little bit more padding, but this is something that I also use for travels. I just put this on my luggage. It's stackable and it stays secure on top of a rolling luggage, and it's just something so easy to travel with. And if you want a nice, clean, simple, professional looking design, this is a great design to look into. So I know this looks like a lot, but this is just a combination of things that, depending on the situation, I don't want to like carry too many things, and sometimes I want to look professional than like I'm traveling. So then I would carry these type of smaller items with me. I also have this sling bag, which is a smaller bag that I use like on most days when I don't want to carry a big tote with me. This is something that I can strap my keys on top. And it's a smaller bag to have for travel. So I would put this in either this. It fits in either the tote bag when I'm in my hotel or something and I want to do quick errands. I have a lighter, smaller bag. I leave this in the hotel. I leave the bigger stuff in the hotel, and then I can travel in this bag. So this fits in almost anything. So this is a crossbody sling bag, and it's a smaller bag that's more convenient when you're out traveling. I don't want to carry this with me, so I could leave this in my room, and I have this to just, you know, carry around all of my essentials, necessities, keep my passport in here, keep my money and everything in this bag. And when I am traveling on the plane, then I just put it inside the bigger travel bags. So that way I just have like 2 items or 1 or 2 items to worry about instead of like multiple bags. Lastly, if you are looking for organizational accessories, These are compartment bags that I love to use. These are like mesh bags. This is by OrbitKey. I love these mesh style bags because I've been using these for a while. I found a couple at Daiso, and then I couldn't find them anymore, but OrbitKeys has some of them as well. And I keep my makeup in the smaller pouch. I keep other things like vitamins, other stuff in here, like things that I use for travels or that I like to have with me. Then I put all of that in these little bags, and then I put it in this, where it's easy to just transfer in between. These are more of my tech stuff, where I put like my drives or wire, SD cards, chargers. I put them all in here. Right now, this backpack is dedicated to all of my filming things. And then this is more for like work. This is for international travels. And then this is right now for bug out stuff, like emergency. So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like it. Let me know which one fits your next trip. And I hope to talk to you next time. Bye.